from Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, um, TikTok, across the globe, where you guys have everybody, wherever you're joining me from this morning. I want to wish everybody very happy Monday to us. I'm glad to be here myself. And then I'm the host, and I'm happy to have everybody on board this morning. The worship that done about the Shabbat. Okay, dangerous. You know, by maybe a better rough here. Okay. So today I have please as you are joining me on TikTok, please continue to power tap, please. Continue to power tap. As you are joining me on TikTok, Emma continue to power tap. Facebook, please, and YouTube, please don't hesitate to leave your comment. All right, do not hesitate to leave your comment. I might not able to read you right now, but if you leave your comment, I will surely get back to you. And to all everybody that have a question, please, if you can go to our bio, we have all our details there, our numbers, email address. We are easily to get. We are not hard to get to. Proud, easy to get. Number one. So, or you can navigate yourself to our website. UK, we have a UK website, Nigerian website, US website. Please navigate yourself and fill the form, or you can get in touch in anyhow. So, okay, this morning I think let me leave a room for is anyone that really have a question for me. Let me start from there. So our new company called FT Rich Mommy, that's our logo. Whenever you see this logo, please follow. This is our logo and this is the company name. So we got sometimes you might be see FT Rich Mommy Financial Services, FT Rich Mommy Legal, FT Rich Mommy Insurance Broker, FT Rich Mommy Mortgage Broker, and or brokerage. Sometimes we use brokerage, sometimes we use broker. FT Rich Mommy Real Estate, FT Rich Mommy Mining, and FT Rich Mommy. So we have FT Mommy holding on all together. So let me explain how our company runs. But in everything, you're going to see this logo both all over the globally, either London, Nigeria, US. The same logo. Our brand color is white and gold. All right. So this morning, welcome on board. Instagram, we are continue to power tap now. Say Emo Binu now. Say Binu Sinini. So I have a good news this morning, and it's about the new good news. Some of us are already aware of, and some people they are not. They are just hearing for the first time. And it's a good news of interest rates, so mortgages in Nigeria now. Thank you for joining me. Labi, thank you. Colleagues, thank you for joining. Please, joining me. Please, let me talk about Manuel, thank you for joining me. So, I'm advocate for as long as you are black, you are Africa, you are my concern. So, people that knows me knows that. And then we are here in diaspora. So, I'm working in the interest of diaspora people. So, if you are diaspora, my intention for all of us is to invest back in home. Okay, and my intention is for one day I want it to be back of our mind to know that Ileni Abosimioko, how can I say that in English? Ileni Abosimioko. Can somebody say that for me in French? So that's me. Whatever, and no matter how long you stay in the diaspora, one day I'm expecting us to retire back in our hometown, whether you are Zimbabwe, Ghana, whatever, as long as you are black. So, but unless you wanted to go to care home here, if you don't want to go care home, you must know that your country has to be the best choice. And remember, a lot of people they wanted to go back home, but they couldn't. A lot of people they even love to do holiday. Some people they do holiday all over the world, but they don't like they want to do holiday in Nigeria, but they believe it's expensive because they do not have. Jackie, thank you for joining me. They do not have what's it called accommodation. So I'm here to let you know that there's a way, and we are here to advise you, not only to help you to get a mortgage, but we give you proper advice, the right place and to invest in Nigeria, the different states. I'm going to launch my book very soon, so I would like us to buy the books. So if you are not from Lagos and Abuja and all that, so that you can understand how to invest in your own country in Nigeria. You say I use the book or title "How to Use the Debt as a Tools to Build Wealth in Africa." Most especially, I purposely make the book for Nigeria. Okay, tailor it for Nigeria. I didn't make it international. So Nigerians for Nigeria. So I'm going to make another one. It's going to be like global and all that because I was intentional. The second one is for general all over the world. So please, if you are joining me, I've not say hello, please. Pardon me. Doris, thank you for joining. I greet everybody. Ogididolu, hey, Ogidiolu, okay. Thank you for joining me, Ogidiolu. So for the person that joining me from Facebook or YouTube, and welcome me. I say good morning to you. God bless you. Please kindly leave your message and drop a comment, so that we can get back to you. Um, Whenever yes, at due time. So as I was saying, so my intention, if you are seeing me for the first time on TikTok, please consider following this page. So whenever we come on live, you're able to join us. You get notification, and even other social media. Please follow us on YouTube as well, because the time is coming. We only use only YouTube. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel, FT Rich Mommy Club 101. FT Rich Mommy Club 101. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whenever we come on live, you can get notification and join us on our live show. All right. So what am I saying in essays? So I'm happy to announce. Some people when we talk to them about the Nigeria real estate, only thing that put them off is the interest rates. All right. Now, so shout out to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So he has pumped a lot of capital into capital market, into mortgage industry, because we want our mortgage industry to work. You mean you're there work by God grace. You want our mortgage industry to work just as it works in London, US, and other country. So the same thing we want it to apply in Nigeria. So head up now, Nigerian people. So if you're other country as well, come and buy property in Nigeria. I'm at Alifia, not only Ghana. I know a lot of people they buy houses in Ghana and Nigeria. So now Ghana, it's your turn now to come to Nigeria to come as grow our economy as well. You bring your chidi and clear number come and buy investments in Nigeria. Nigeria, you that far, you do any other country, all right? Because we are giants, we are the biggest, so we are coming up. So I'm going man take it easy and take it easy. But once you come, did it, Tony, you understand? So come and invest in Nigeria. So to now, my Nigerian people, so don't allow that. I'll shout out to Ghana now. Don't let Ghana come and overthrow you. So by the time Ghana start buying 3, 4 property in Nigeria, you didn't buy anything. Go down. That's not good at all. So gone are those days. After Richmond, who are we and what's our intention? We are here to bridge the gap. Okay, we bridge the gap from we are here to bridge the gap from what's it called to be for you to become a homeowner within a blink of the eyes. And guess what? This transaction between 4 weeks, 5 weeks, uh, everything is done. As long you have the right documents, as long the property is okay, ready to go, the what's it called? The process is Florence. How you sis? Ẹ káàbọ̀, welcome on board. Oh. So the mo ti dé mo ti padà dé ti dé gbìgìdì gbìgìdì kí ló máa ń sọ náà gbìgìdì yorùbá náà sì máa sọ gbìdìgì ṣé gbìdìgì ni àbí gidigba gidigba so mo ti dé gidigba ṣé gidigba náà ni. I'm blessed. I am blessed. One tap, thank you for joining. All the usernames, Ekabo, Wasil, we welcome on board. Matu Prayer, Ogaju, Ekabo, Tomix 44, thank you for joining me. Good morning. How you doing? So, YouTube, Facebook, ẹ ṣé gan ni mi ò rórúkọ yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀ka mo fẹ́ràn yín tọkàntọkàn mi mo fi láìkì yín. Good. Oh, yeah, help me to share, please. Matu Prayer, thank you for joining me. God bless you, Sister Florence, as you are our tapping. Ese geni, ese gidi gen. Ese. So who's Taloba mi share, eba mi share kini, eba mi share, emo wani. Because we are not being coming regularly, and then TikTok, ó jẹ́ gbọ́rọ̀ lọ. More than Bino say, oh, Bamilo. But go and call my people to join me now. Gbé mi o ti sá wá sí Instagram, okay, kò sí problem. Wolex, thank you for joining. Good morning, people. Shake morning. All right. So please help me to share to people, help me to power tab. Let people join us. Thank you, Florence 846 for power part. If you power tap me, I can see Mumarino Sha. Wow, poor network. Ibawo. Instagram, Emma Binu, say poor network. Okay, the network is bad. You know, money. How do I say ogun in English? Mo juju. If you power tap me, I can see you. Mo ríran, mo wá ríran. Mo rí àwọn tó ń power tap. Agbára pọ̀. Ẹhẹ́. So má tó ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ àti power tap. Ṣé ẹ ti rí pé mo máa ń ríran? Ṣé ẹ rí pé mo ríran? Àníkẹ́ náà ti fún mi ní ta ló fún mi ní kíní yẹn? Anix appeal ó ti fún mi ní gift. Ẹ ṣé jẹ́ ẹ bá mi ṣàlátẹ̀wọ̀. Àwọn tó kọ́ fún mi ní gift nìyẹn láàárọ̀ yìí. Thank you. Ẹ ti mú orí mi wú báyìí, orí mi ti darí gàrí. So as I was saying, so now is the right time to invest in Nigeria. So I'm happy to announce. You know, so some of us, oh yeah, matter of wọ́n ti bá mi gbẹ́gùn jẹ dé ẹ̀gún jẹ́ spoil lefty ẹ̀gún jẹ́ ti bà doctor jẹ́ ẹ̀gún jẹ́ iná ni. Thank you. So now I'm happy to announce all the Nigerians that we have 1-digit interest rates. Oh yes, àtẹ́wọ́. Don't you say that's very exciting, isn't it? 1 digit is far. 9 point something. In America God will give you 11. There's some products 12% in America, even London. So what are we talking about? So at one in Nigeria, at America, at London, interest rate. So, but but of course, it cannot buy to because the target was to target the low the low class. So the government, they are doing all their best to make sure the middle class and lower class, the poor class, are getting accommodation. Right? The rich and the top middle class, they can help themselves. So we are not really targeting you that much. I mean, targeting you, your body targeting you. Do you understand? But your band targets are low class and the low middle class. Which one targeting now? So because of that, and then we now consider diaspora as well. Tom, I say diaspora. President Tiba for Bahile in the Ofewani. Maybe no might be next year. I'm a good diaspora again. Once you be diaspora again. So I want diaspora. What? Actually, so we are entitled to this new products with 1 digit. Okay, so 1 digit with 9 point money so 1 digit 1 digit interest rates. In Nigeria and we cover all the states. But Mark don't bring me lots of forest and forest. So I'm not going to give you money for Shandisha forest. Don't go to Popa around areas saying you wanted to buy a monkey. We are not going to give you. But all the states it's include all the states. So the target is to make all the poor and the middle class, low middle class, be a homeowner, just as we do here in London, in America. Look at in America we do what's it called? FHA with 3% you can buy a house. If you buy bad credits, you can easily buy a house and all that. You can even buy 4 units. So same in London, we do help to buy. It's no money anymore, but they are still doing shared ownership. Okay, we still do shared ownership. The shared ownership is still around where you can buy a little bit share, and then share ownership is for the low earners as well, low earners, and then and then people with a low deposit. Of course, if you are low earner, it's very hard for you to gather deposit by the way. By the time before even people with a good earner gone, ability gbówó lọ. Tí n bá sọ for fact, Ẹ mo ń wá ta ló mọ àwọn prayer point tí I'm looking for prayer point to destroy all the bills. Ta ló mọ prayer point yẹn? Who can feel me? Àwọn bills kan tó máa ń gbé gbowó lọ tóṣù bá parí. Ẹ fún mi ní àwọn prayer point what's it called? Ṣé mountain on fire ni? Kí n gbà káwọn bí ìyẹn dìsa. Prayer of mantle, ó yá ẹ fún mi ní àwọn prayer point o. Tó máa work ni o, kò ń ṣe lè ti máa pray tí ò ní work o. Tí ò bá ti work don't tell me pé àṣàṣì ìran bèbí o. Prayer point jẹ́ kí n bá gbà báyìí àwọn bí ìyẹn kàn máa fò dànù ni. So so because of this, so now, so now we know in UK they consider mid poor and middle class as well to able to invest in a real estate. The same thing now in Nigeria. You might not see this as exciting, but to me, it's very, very exciting. It's a mind blowing. It's a progress. But now, Adi Abdul, how you? Thank you for joining me, my brother. I agree to you. Oh yeah, respect, Baba. How are you? Thanks for joining me this morning. Thank you a lot. By now I'm expecting everybody to give me love. Hey, I say there's a one-digit mortgage in Nigeria. Ẹ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ president wa. Ẹ dúpẹ́, ẹ mọ̀ lóore fún wa. Ẹ mọ̀ lóore 50. Yìí ń sun ṣá, mo kàn tó yìí ń sun láti ọjọ́ yìí, mo ń jà ní pé ti diaspora encore. Where the diaspora interest rate to give us a one-digit interest rate to. Now interest is one-digit today. Bá mi dúpẹ́. Who is say thank you, Lord there? Ẹ bá mi ṣe thank you, Lord. All right. So, ní bá mi dúpẹ́. Matter of prayer. Ní fún mi prayer point ọpẹ́. Thanksgiving prayer point. Now you are talking. Yes, thank you, Jerry. Thank you, Jesus. Yes. So, you might not know now, but honestly, I'm telling you, even for now, you can even empower your family back home. Do you understand? So those, okay, this is how it works. If you wanted to know the country that real estate appreciates as quick as like that, it's within the blink of the eyes, Nigeria. Okay. Lumide 07. Good morning. Agree to welcome. Now you are talking about Nigeria. So now you cannot empower you can give a down payment to your family, your siblings, your sister and uncle or whatever, buy them a house. All right, empower them. Because if you buy the house of maybe 50 million now, trust me, in 5 years' time, you are looking at 120 million. So that's how Nigerian in London or Macron, we will be growing little by little. 10 years, koto appreciate. In Nigeria, koto kílẹ̀ tó mọ́ báyìí. Àgbà Èkó àti Abuja, ilé ti lọ okay, ó ti jump up. Do you understand? So you can even use this opportunity to empower your family back home. So you buy for yourself and then you can help your family with the down payment. Do you understand? So if you buy them 3-bedroom, they can live in one and turn the rest to investment. Let them turn into Airbnb. Empower somebody at home. Even yourself, you can buy as much as possible and create jobs. Because my intention are we diaspora, we cannot stay here. We already left Nigeria for them. You understand? And so because we left Nigeria, and that one doesn't mean we should be part of Nigeria. So I believe the reason why we left Nigeria to come here to come and get for right opportunity and go back, isn't it? That was my aim. That I did by looking coming. Because I did by come on my pollen. I was okay. Asking my the London market mason beauty can tell me long. Go tell me long. It's also song by I don't know what I was saying there. Now, even with the beautiful house going go them alone still. I want to change my bed. I want to buy shaking size and queen size. Ṣé ti ráyé mo dẹ̀ èmi tí wọ́n sọ pé tí máa rí títì a máa sún nílẹ̀ lórí títì nígbà when I was coming here ṣé ti rí nǹkan now with the double bed meal I don't want that anymore I want a queen bed not even pink ṣé ti rí so ìgbà ní ìgbà mọ́kàn máa sọ̀kọ́ sọ èèyàn máa sọ̀kọ́ sọ nígbà tí kò bá ti mọ nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀. So now you can now contribute to the economy. Whether we live in Nigeria or not, there's a way you can contribute to Nigerian economy right now. So you can buy investment property. Thank you. Tani, Shafi Beauty. Good morning, sister. Eshe Gani. Our heart beats many. Thank you, sis. So by after today, please, I want all of us to DM, send me a DM. Good morning, Sophie. To send me and then make inquiry about Nigeria investment. I think one day I'm going to do Zoom something. I'm going to gather everybody and I'm going to share my screen and tell us more about the products, or we do it on the YouTube, whichever one. So I want it to be one platform instead of it now. One Instagram, Facebook, I'm just everywhere, YouTube and all that. It's going to be one platform so that I will bring people up to people can unmute themselves to talk. I think we'll be better off on the team or Zoom. Okay. So so we can buy this. We can use this mortgage now. It's a little. Gone are those days that you need to wait for. I know developers they say okay, pay between 12 months. You don't need to pay between 12 months. Even within 12 months, it's still a lot for a lot of people. You understand? That's why a lot of people in Nigeria they don't have a house. Some people they say the developer say stretch the money between 12 months, 24 months. It's still a lot. So ile 100 million, one equal 12 months. It's a lot. Gbogbo èèyàn kan ní ń jówó fà gbogbo èèyàn kan ní ẹ ṣàánú àwa tá a ṣe ń fà ń wówó báyìí o. So but now it's mortgage now, okay, and with the little interest rates. So we can even the government program, we can stretch the mortgage even to 20 years. Good 20 years. So it's not necessary you need to stay in the mortgage for that 20 years, but at least it can be stretched. Ìyá ló de káàbọ̀ ìyá ẹfun ṣetán aníwúrà, but you can stretch to that period of a year so that it can be more affordable. Everything we are looking at is affordable. We don't want to stress you too much. We want you to be able to afford your mortgage monthly. We want to be able to buy the fuel to your car. We want to be able to to put the food on the table. Do you understand? But if the mortgage is too expensive, you're not able to do all that. You'll be running just but since by Ngbami, we've been running up and down for you to meet the mortgage obligation. But now we can stretch it for 10, for example, now they said stretch 100 million to 20 years. You can see we just be paid little, just little, maybe a little month. You can even somewhere do consider. You can get upset one day and get angry and pay 1 year mortgage if you like it. Do you understand? So what I'm saying, trying to say now you're now before you're already your homeowner yourself. And remember, property increase in value. Even there's a company that we have refinancing in Nigeria as well. Eshamilatewo. So if you have existing property in Nigeria, if you wanted to get equity out, let me know. We do all the valuation and all that. And then be able to get a valuation. Yellow they bear new, be able to get a valuation, you even get the equity out from that money, from that property, and buy another property to let out. Okay. So let's start thinking about this. If you are not diaspora, this message, this meeting is for as I call this. What I'm saying today is purposely for we that live in diaspora. Diaspora, how can we contribute to Nigeria economy? No, because I want us to be going on frequently, regularly. Okay, not that the reason I know a lot of people that are closer to me, they wanted to go to Nigeria. In fact, they feel like going to Nigeria. Apart from buying the ticket, they consider the accommodation. Because you have been living here for a long time. You need a nice place, isn't it? And all that, and that's another thing. But now we wanted to the new government now wanted to put an end to those barriers. Okay, we want to bridge the gap. So by providing mortgage with one digit. Of course, there's a lot of people that have got mortgage from me before. Some of them, some pay 33. Even will pay some people 33, 35, and they are willing to pay to get it, to buy it, to go for it. But sometimes the lenders they are not even ready to give you. Okay, But now, unless if you know, because they don't really know you, but if you come through somebody like me, all right, somebody like us, like our company now, of course, the lender will be happy. Most especially be diaspora. I know the reason, but because they don't know how to also get your affordability. So because I'm here in the space, I understand the UK and US systems, how to get affordability and all that. So they were happy to work with me. So if you go by yourself, they might not even help you. They won't say any down. Even gone for you, me gone remo. Ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ pé mo lóògùn oògùn ni mo lò mo lóògùn ẹ má jẹ́ ń lẹ́yìn lórúkà o akọni àmá bínú o àwọn oògùn freezer ní tèmi gbà. So they were able to help with us to work together with us. So what I'm not saying is ogun pọ̀ gidi gan. Inú freezer náà wọ́n ti block wọ́n wà ní freezer tí bá yọ ẹyọ kan síta máa ń ṣàkà pé tí bá yọ àwọn oògùn mi síta wọ́n ní sọ inú freezer ló gbé tiẹ̀ sí inú freezer ni àwọn rò pé inú gbá ni inú gbá ló yẹ kó wà ní inú freezer ló gbé sí bíbá ìṣá àwọn ata àwọn tàtàṣé tó ti gan tí bá yọ ẹyọ kan tí bá ju yín ní ata lódò ẹ máa ṣubú ni. I have a 6-acre farmland in Ogun State. Okay, currently I'm planning to import goods from the UK. Can you help me? I'm planning to import goods. So import, okay, help you in what sense, Mike? Hmm? Please make it a little bit clearer. She wanted to use the farm. You want to use the 6 acre for farm. So farm. You will need if you are okay. If I want to, if you make it clearer, but if let me give you answer based on what I can sense in what you are saying. With a 6 acre, I wanted to start a farming, whatever in Nigeria. So do you need the money to buy like a tractor or something or what? So say I wanted to buy import goods. Please make it a little bit clearer, my dear brother. But I think that if Ogun State, I know Ogun State and Lagos State, they are working closely. They are even the governors, they are friends. I think there's a development loan for because I know Lagos State has that for small businesses. They have a loan for you. With that, I think the interest rate was even 2 or 3%, something like that. I know Ogun State we have something like that too. It can make inquiry. Okay, all right. So, but if anything that you wanted to enlighten me more, please kindly type and let me hear you. Okay. So I hope everybody you are getting what I'm saying. I need to go now. It's 11 o'clock. I need to jump to another meeting. We need to jump to another meeting now. Okay. So anybody have any question for me on TikTok? Please, if you have any question, please you can. Or mine, if you can navigate yourself to the TikTok, I can bring you on live. You can send anybody I want to send a request there. I've wanted to contribute to what I've just said, or you have any question for most especially question, please let me know. Let me know. So maybe so you might be some of us maybe been a long time we've been to Nigeria. Emi shared in Nigeria a month ago, a month ago. So and hopefully I will be there in another few something. You understand? So there's so many developments in Nigeria, especially Lagos and Abuja. So let me tell us a little about what my observation in Nigeria. So I know all of us, Dunamis Foods. Thank you for joining me. Some of us you already aware about the Eco Atlantic. Okay, bí ó ṣe rí rè Eco Atlantic ṣẹtiri is a Nigerian ṣẹtiri Canary Wharf nìyẹn. It's gonna be sorry this is my own second. It's gonna be so I don't know maybe you see outside very well. Okay. So bí wọ́n ṣe máa bí Eco Atlantic ṣe máa rí nìyẹn. So Nigeria financial hubs, not Nigeria, Africa. This is only London. Are you Nigerian? Yeah, Nigeria no bí Nigeria ṣe dáre o. Nigeria is beautiful like this o. Kẹ má ro bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o in spirit and everything. See, I'm back, my sister. So it's going to be what's it called? African Financial Ops. Okay, so Eco-Atlantic. So this is only a Canary London financial hubs. Oh, now let's look at the whole Africa. A whole Africa, it's going to be Africa financial hubs. So because of that, it's going to what's it called? It's going to get a traffic to Nigeria. So if there's going to be traffic in Nigeria, trust me, then something like a Airbnb hotel is going to be more appealing. It's going to be more attractive. It's going to make more money. Going to make more sense. So because people will be coming all over the world, South Africa, Kenya, Congo, Maria, and all that. Even all these African that they have, like Egypt and all that, they are say Africa, isn't it? They will come. So even all, no Africa, they will even come. Arab will come. America will come. Trump won't mean more train. Oh my wow! I say, oh, she might change your mind there. Not worry. So everybody will come and all that. So before you know, economy will be developed. Economy will be developed, and then be able uh, to grow the country. So we shout out with we diaspora as an investors. So I want so many investors to come from London, from America, from diaspora. Than Nigeria. Mo fẹ́ ṣe èrò, kí wọ́n ṣe èrò. Okay. Um, J171023 Ekabo. So Kemi Ajayi, thank you for joining me. All of you. Um, Agri Lake, thank you for joining. Uh, yeah, no be power tapping. We have me power tap, me power tap. All right. So if I need to go now, this is 9:11. By 11 on dot, I think I need to go. Okwe Bamiji, Nanje. Good morning. Thank you. If you have not following this page, please make sure you follow us. Follow us. Uh, Sophie, another one. Thank you for joining me. So, Chumi, thank you for joining. So, if you are not following us, please make sure you follow this page. So, whenever we come alive, you should be able to get notifications, and you'll be able to come along with us. All right. So, to learn more about Nigeria mortgage, please meet me again tomorrow. So after today, I'm gonna tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow or Wednesday. So because maybe later today or tomorrow, I'm gonna have more meeting with all the most of Nigerian banks. We want to sit down and see how we can help diaspora so to invest more in Nigeria and safe, right? But you have nothing to lose. Our Nigeria move from your mortgage, just like anyway, we all understand how mortgage works, by the way. So it's the bank they are carrying the risk, and then you need to put insurance in place because you don't want to do that, isn't it? So flood, even here going flood or what? Los Angeles, every year long banner. You understand? The fire. So you wouldn't want to risk anything. You need to get insurance. Otherwise, even be by if you don't get insurance, you're not going to lender is not going to release money for you. So now it's the same thing in Nigeria, and you don't want to even risk anything. So you want to put insurance, whether you have mortgage or not. You need to put insurance in case if anything happen. I know a friend, he built a house in Lekki. Then when you build your own house, there's no structure, no, you're not following anything. Flood. In fact, it lost almost over billions, 2 billions or something, an asset. So I didn't mean he has insurance. Insurance could have carried out the risk. Anything more than that. And if I mention this person's name, all of you know them. He's very popular person. Do you understand? So over billions of naira. We are talking about millions of naira and millions of pounds, millions of dollars. Okay. So later on, come and talk to her about more insurance. We are working on insurance as well. So where how you can do health insurance in Nigeria and even do it for your family. Instead of Tom Mark Bay, they will call you this one half can come and do this. Do insurance for them. It's time for us we diaspora to have it to rest to put a door inside the room. Understand? When we let us do what's the right thing, empower your people, your auntie, your sister, your sibling, empower them. Buy house, let them do their bit. Phone one share, get them busy, let them get their hand dirty. Tell them to go and look for a client. Oh, you cannot be giving money like that. You are not helping them. Me, I was with Cosmo good Shidoki Abi, what's his last name? Last this Friday we Stephen Akitayo, business growth. Say if a rich man give you money, he has robbed you, and which is true. So you don't give money, but you give ideas, you give what's it called? Stability. Establish Lagos for Lagos. Thank you for joining me. Establish them, please. Buy a house. Now you don't need to buy 100%, put 100% money down. Put your mortgage. In fact, the only thing you need to do is just the first initial down payment. The house will pay themselves. He will pay his own mortgage monthly. You don't need to worry about mortgage. Just like the way we do here. If you don't know how to do it, I'll teach you what to do. So now, before you buy a house, I sit down with my clients. I want to know your strategies. What's your end goal? What's your goal for the next 10, 5 years? So then location now come to place. When it comes to money, if you wanted to use it for investment and everything, now you now need to look at the location. You need to buy in the location. Are they rich? Good morning, sir. How are you? Judith. Thank you for joining me, sis. So in that location now come to place, you look for nice location that immediately you put on market, people will get it like that. Okay. All right. If there's no question for me, let me come and be going. Eshegoni, thank you for tuning in today. Hopefully tomorrow, by God grace, please follow this page. So whenever I will come alive, you're able to get notification. Emma, I'm not being so at least I'll be trying to be here 3 times in a week now. But not 5 days here. Anointing you see more be Tella. So it's going to be I'm going to be available like at least minimum of 3 days in a week. I will try, but I wouldn't say Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, but hopefully I should be here tomorrow Tuesday. I should be in the office tomorrow Tuesday. All right, thank you so very much. Please, if you have not followed me yet, fully follow any Oluwa Global Resources. Thank you for following. If you have not followed yet, please follow this page. Okay, so that whenever we come online, you can get notification and join us. All right, so to recap what we have been talking about today, there's a mortgage in Nigeria with good interest rates. Okay, 1 digit. All right, so just we are doing competition with together with London and America now. Even at London and America, we have 2 digits as well. If there's 2 digits in Nigeria, we have 2 digits, but it's lower 2 digits. Well, because you see, when you wanted to go for government scheme, it's 1 digit, but it's only that you have a cap of the amount of the property you can buy because they tailor it purposely for the low class and the low middle class and poor. Okay, and you big boys and big girls, you can sort yourself out. So, but those people, they have been neglected for longer times. All right. So now the president is looking to them now. So okay. So most especially, a lot of people in Nigeria, they work, but it's only that they are still renting because there's no mortgage for them to buy because they cannot afford to gather the money together to save all the 50 million, 30 million like that. But now that the mortgage for them with a little interest rate as well, to make it more affordable, and they can do the same thing. So you too, me and you, we can do the same too for our family. We all have families. I know all of us there are more than one family, two family in Nigeria that we even send money to regularly every month, isn't it? So that's another way to bless them. Instead of don't stop giving fish, teach them how to teach them how to um, make a fish themselves. Get a mortgage, put them in furnishing for them, put them in charge. And this thing, with Airbnb, you can control it wherever you are all over the world. How do you do that? By everything is digital, isn't it? You can digitalize everything. Airbnb online, people checking online and all that. Obake. That's it. So now, so and then you can put a stripe. She stripe normally when they make a payment, and then online they can book online, make payment online. You know people that check it. When they check out, you can put camera. They send the camera to your phone or your watch. In technology is a lot far. Even now they are putting camera inside their glasses. As a kilo day, they do free glasses. Because even though if you camera is insane. So don't give me excuse. Don't tell me Nigeria is not good to do business. You don't only can say. Tó bá ní nǹkan ṣe, ó mọ̀ pé technology is everywhere now. All right, thank you so very much for listening to me this morning. I appreciate you guys. I will be coming and I'll be meeting you guys. God bless you. Bye. Second from the late, WA.